वेलकम बैक टू चैनल बॉयज़, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर ब्लॉग। आज हम आ चुके हैं एट द रेमंड ग्राउंड स्थानीय, क्योंकि आज का जो मीटअप होने वाला है ना ब्रो, आई मीन इट्स नॉट अ मीटअप, इट्स एन इवेंट एक्चुअली, बट it is gonna be the craziest one that has ever happened in India, because I'm pretty sure around 200 cars have arrived here, and the first car in front of my eyes is this one. Check this out, the Aventador Ultimate Roadster. ये check करो boys, क्या ही लग रही है, and of course this is the deadliest looking car that has ever been made. Bro, this is crazy. Alright guys, it's now time to enter the Supercar Club garage, privately owned by Gautam Singhania. And चलते हैं अंदर and आपको दिखाते हैं what all cars are present here. Bro, check this out. Literally a Mach 1 Mustang. Here's an M5 जो कि India's fastest है शायद. This is what we are here for. I mean a hot rod bro. It couldn't get better, brother. This is crazy. Ferrari. I guess 348 Testarossa or 340 Testarossa is something like that. I'm not sure. When one Ferrari wasn't enough, we've got here another one. मैं आपको अभी बोल रहा हूँ कि when you'll see the whole vlog, you'll be literally speechless. Check this out, यार. This is literally a table made out of a real Ferrari 360 Modena. And here's how the table looks. एक दिन ये भी अपने घर होगा. So yeah, let's move on. Bro, like what is this thing, यार? Like check करो. I know it's a kind of three-wheeler ATV, a sneak peek into the Ferrari's engine. जैसे कि आप पढ़ सकते हो, it's a Ferrari 328 GTS. Let's move ahead and check out what all is there. Guys, ये है गौतम सिंघानिया के सुपर कार क्लब गराज का प्राइवेट एरिया, and you can check out the cars that are being restored. If you see, there's a vintage Ford over there, Aston Martin Rapid, Audi Jaguar, वहाँ पर है पिकअप ट्रक, वहाँ पर है GMC ट्रक, आप देख सकते हो. Trust me, you'll get your mind blown, because I'm repeating it again and again. This is just the start, this is just the beginning. The main show is like the main cars आपको अभी तक दिखाने हैं. So stay tuned on the whole vlog. Make sure subscribe. Make sure आपके पास आपका popcorn या coffee है, and enjoy this video. So boys, check this out. We just got our media pass. Shout out to Paras, shout out to Lens Crafted. भाई ने मुझे बताया कि you can easily get a media pass if you have like about 20k followers and all. And आपको तो पता है आपके भाई के YouTube पे 30,000 plus subscriber है. So we got it. So shout out to Lens Crafted for telling me and helping me get the media pass. तो चलते हैं अंदर and let's continue. If you know, you know. You can remember this car from Gone in 60 Seconds movie. Bro, this is epic. Guys, as I told you previously, this event is not just about cars. You can also expect some really cool shit. So check this out. This is literally a vintage fire truck. Bro, check this out, yaar. This is crazy. The driver would literally sit right over there. This was the mechanism, this big wheel and literally chains, जिसकी वजह से आप फायर को बुझा सकते थे. And you can see the meters, the gauges over there. कितने like प्यारे लग रहे हैं. And you know, it's like literally giving the vibes, you know, letting you feel that you are in a vintage era. Boys, we are now officially entering the event. And entrance पे ही हमें दिखती है the legendary cricketer रवि शास्त्री की iconic Audi 100. You know, you can even see the pictures of him with the car. So you know, it's a crazy one. Even यार आप देखो, उस ज़माने में the Audi logo on the wheels used to look something like this. Here's how the car is looking from the front, and the plate game strong as always. MFA1, you know, legendary car, legendary plates. Guys, I told you the show is gonna be epic, and by epic I literally meant it. क्योंकि हमारे सामने है a plane. Of course it has been dismantled and now just the frame is there, and the exterior, you know, you can consider the body and all. The engine is not there, of course. I mean, even if it's there, it's not functional. Guys, when you're on my channel and you don't see JDM cars, brother, you're on the wrong channel. Definitely we have the JDM lineup right over here, starting with this Mazda MX-5 Miata. Behind me is the Nissan 300 ZX, which has a 3-liter V6 twin turbo engine which produces almost 300 plus horsepower, and to add a cherry on the top, it's a 4-speed manual. and this proudly belongs to the JDM King of India, Joey Postal. A quick interesting fact that the Lamborghini Diablo actually borrowed the headlights from this car, from this exact Nissan 300 ZX, because the lights were so cool, and you could easily search up for the image of a Lamborghini Diablo on Google. I mean, मैं तो डाल दूंगा इस पे, so you can see the resemblance of these headlights with the Lamborghini Diablo. So yeah, this was just a piece of information on the 300 ZX. Let's move on to the 240 SX. Guys, this is easily one of the lightest cars in weight, because this car weighs just 1200 kgs. I mean, bro, that's crazy. And this gets a 2.4 liter twin cam engine that produces around 150 horsepower stock. And एक और खास बात, this was one of the very few cars in those era to get a 4-wheel steering, meaning जब आप steering turn करोगे तो not just the front tires, even the back tires would turn to reduce the turning radius and hence giving you a quick spin. Literally, is that a Supra? Bhai, let me tell you about the specs of this car. This has got a 2JZ inline 6 engine, and it's not a manual actually, it's a 4-speed automatic transmission. It has one of the coolest engines, the legendary engines, and you can check out kitna bada wing hai at the back. You've got the Supra embossing done on it, and of course, how can we forget the back look, the exhaust, and all of those things. Definitely one of the coolest cars out here at the show. Boys, this is the Subaru Impreza WRX STI, and this is only one in India. Yes guys, you heard it right. You can check out those super cool BBS style trims, and yes, you heard it right, it is the only car in India, one of one in India. So you know how rare this car is. And of course, even this belongs from the Joey Postal's ever-growing JDM collection. As you guys can see, inside this hood you have a 2.5 liter turbocharged petrol engine that produces over 320 horsepower. Yes guys, you heard it right, and this is the same car which was used in the movie Fast and Furious by Paul Walker. So you know how special this car is. And of course guys, you are not a JDM fan if you don't love this car. Presenting to you 1994's Nissan R33 GTR. Inside this hood you've got a transparent cam case, and it has an inline V6 engine producing 650 horsepower. I mean, that is crazy, that is insane. You can check out the color. You can see it has even got some carbon fiber beds. This has got frameless doors, and piche the wing, you can check it out, it's pure carbon fiber. And to add on top of that, that's a V-Spec R33 GTR. I mean, bro, what level of insanity you can go to collect JDM cars. This is just a prime example from these are the cars from the Joey Postal's collection, and he is a die-hard JDM fan. I mean, Joey Postal sir, if you're watching this video, please let me know if we could get a small tour of your garage, your collection, because I'm really interested, and the audience watching this videos are really interested to get a private tour of your cars, your collection, your garage, and that would be really nice. Although guys, this is an R33, this has got a 6-speed manual transmission from the GTR R34. Guys, this is the Toyota MR2. You can check this out. It has got a Targa top, and this is a mid-engine car. Bro, this is a proper weekend car for the JDM enthusiasts. Guys, इसके अंदर है a turbocharged petrol engine producing almost around 240 horsepower. I mean, this small car and 240 horsepower, you can imagine the fun you get to drive this car. And of course, एक और Mazda की MX-5 Miata. This is such a cute little Japanese car you can get, you know. And इसके ऊपर जो पेंट लगा है, the emerald green, kind of an emerald green, आप देख सकते हो सन में कैसा शाइन हो रहा है with the golden BBS style rims. Bro, this is one of a make green greater again spec. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. गाइज, स्कूल के बच्चे ट्रिप के लिए ऐसे इवेंट्स पे आते हैं, एंड इमेजिन करो हमारे वक्त ऐसा कुछ इवेंट्स नहीं होते थे, एंड वी यूज्ड टू गो टू गार्डन्स एंड ऑल. but definitely the best spot for these children to come and enjoy the cars, to get inspired, to get motivated, because working a 9 to 5 didn't got everyone these cars. Reactions check karo boys. The other links are in the description and make sure you follow me on Instagram क्योंकि इस सारे shows के updates मैं मेरे stories and YouTube के community में देते रहता हूँ. That was it for this part of the vlog. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. See you guys in the next vlog.